Hi guys, I'm Tina and it's crypto time again. Okay, smart contracts are seriously changing the way we do business in the digital age. So let's focus on how these programs can be used to complete certain contracts and agreements without needing a middleman. A simple way to look at how smart contracts work is to think of it like a vending machine. Put in some money, make a selection, and, just like that, the machine delivers the goods. Smart contracts work kind of like that by performing their programmed actions when the right conditions are met. For example, in real estate, a smart contract can transfer a title or deed once payment has been confirmed, eliminating tons of paperwork. Smart contract programs are also revolutionizing supply chain control by tracking products from origin to delivery, ensuring efficiency and transparency. Want to know more about smart contracts? Like and subscribe for more crypto time every Wednesday, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.